I'm at Fisherwick again, day 5, and I've just come across an old flat button. Nice, beautiful. I'll have that in the bucket any day of the week. Happy hunting! There's relics and sons. Just located that, about an inch in the ground. Nice bottle. Beautiful, solid brass, good find on the ice. 250. The old Garrett. Happy hunting. Dog relics and sons. I've just found this. I thought it was an old coin, but it's got something on it. It come up on my coins. So I don't know what it is, but it's really heavy. Happy hunting. And I've got this today, the old Garrett Pro Pointer. First time using it. Wicked. Thanks for watching. Hi folks. Like an old zip or something. Nice find. Happy hunting. Hi ladies and gentlemen, Dog Relics and Sons here on the Garrett Ice 250 at Fisherwick area, and these are the finds I found. Nice little tractor, look at the roller on it or something, old cartridge. Another end of a bit of a cartridge, bit of pottery, a bit of lead, old milk cap. I don't know what these are. No lead. This one was a nice one. There's definitely something in there. Have a look a little more lighter. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for coming with us. God bless. Happy hunting.